Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make triangle plain rice zongzi and Heartopia during the Dragon Boat Festival event. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the festival foods from this event and you need to buy the recipe from this exchange store. Go to the Midsummer rhyme and you're going to go to the exchange store and you can buy this recipe. Triangle plain rice zongzi. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys the recipe for this food. Wait, oh, not this one, but this one. And the ingredients that you need is the bamboo leaf, paddy, and also eggs. And since I haven't bought them yet, I'm just going to use the universal ingredients. Especially guys, I haven't unlocked paddy seed yet, so we can replace it with the universal ingredients. Okay, now let's just start cooking. Done guys, and let me show it to you. Okay, I've just made the triangle plain rice zongzi. Okay guys, and that's how we can make the triangle shaped plain rice zongzi and Heartopia during the Dragon Boat Festival event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.